catch a bird as I take wing and soar into love's heights. Yet in this smallness of wing, I shall hold fast unto your hand, lest I should ever think the melody is born upon my wings, and fly from thy hand, and thereby plunge into waters below, mistaking love's reflections for the winged flight into